Hello everyone, this is DM2203. It is a 1997 Nissan Cima. This is being sold through our premium inventory, so mechanically it is good to go. It's had a full detail, paint correction, features black leather interior, which is really cool. It's lowered on BC Racing coilovers and these Work CR Kai wheels. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. We'd love to send you pictures or video, whatever you would like to see. But I'm just going to walk around this thing and show it off to you a bit. Factory remote, pretty cool. Oh man, I don't know if I've ever seen one that color before. It's pretty pretty. I've got a jack and some tools under there. Spare under there. Sorry, it's kind of a pain to do with one hand. And lastly, we will check out under the hood. See the tops of the BC Racing coilovers there, factory strut bar. It's the 4.1 liter VH41DE engine, V8 obviously there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. If you would like to like this video, we would like that. And then if you would like to subscribe, you'll get notifications for every new car that we list on our website. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.